Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Known for her bubbly image and comedic roles sa ilang Kapuso series na ginampanan niya, this 2021, muli na naman nating matutunghayan ang kanyang husay sa pagganap para sa isang panibagong role na ipinagkatiwala sa kanya ng GMA. At para mas lalo pa tayong pasayahin ngayong umaga sa Biztalk, makakasama natin ang the stunningly beautiful in her bolder and fiercer look, featuring her new hairstyle. Please welcome Kapuso actress and comedian, Divine Aucina. Masantos, kamusta Divine, and welcome to Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Hello, Pak na Pak. Beautiful morning. Hello, mga kapuso. Your Ganders is back with this hairstyle.
Love it! Divine, yes, Pak, push! How are you?
Aura.
Aha.
Aura. Eto na nga, Mars. Ibalik natin to. Ayan.
Yes.
Para manatili yung ganda. Yan, ito talaga siya. Ayan. Hello po. Hello, kamusta ka? Ako, I'm feeling beautiful. I'm feeling well, and I'm feeling happy.
Yes, iba naman talaga ang pasok ng umaga. So Divine, with such a beautiful face, a model-like figure, how do you feel about beauty pageants? Did you consider joining pageants before?
I really considered joining beauty pageants, but the beauty pageant didn't consider me.
Sabi ka naman, Mars, ang harsh. Pero ito, kunwari, nasa question and answer portion na tayo, ha? Sa isang prestigious beauty pageant, Divine.
Okay.
Here is your question. If you could give your younger self one piece of advice, what would that be?
To my younger self, I want to tell you that you're beautiful, and you're much beautiful than you think you are. You're the most beautiful creature. Remember that. And I thank you.
Wow, I agree! The round of applause, mga kapuso! Palakpakan! Standing ovation na to! So ito, ha? Grabe ka.
Thank
Divine,
you.
what got you into comedy, and paano mo na-discover yung passion mo for comedy?
What got me into comedy, I think it's really the face. It's the face value, eh. At yun, ayun. Pero kidding aside, what got me into comedy, hindi ko naman talaga alam na comedy yung linyahan ko. Kasi mahilig ako umiyak sa harap ng mirror nung bata ako. O kaya, iiyak ako sa cabinet, yung may salamin, tapos iyak akong ganyan. Akala ko pang drama ako, pang comedy pala ako. Kaya nung nabigyan ako ng opportunity ni Ate Uge to do Dear Uge, talagang nilabang ko na. Talagang inaral ko talaga. At I'm still learning, and I'm still hungry for more knowledge.
Kwentuhan mo naman kami tungkol sa magiging papel mo sa seryeng inaabangan ng karamihan, ang Legal Wives.
Yes, Legal Wives. So, di ba, ang ganda ng title. Ang role ko po doon ay si Lizzie. Ako ay best friend, the supportive best friend. Alam mo yun, meron tayong ganong friend di ba? The supportive, loving, and caring. Pero the friend na sasampaling ka ng katotohanan, kind of friend. And I am that friend. Ako po ay kaibigan ni Diane. Diane will be played by Andrea Torres.
So ito,
Ganon.
yes, gaano ka nga ka-excited na mapabilang sa powerhouse cast ng Legal Wives?
Sobrang excited. Sobrang excited to work with them at malaman kung how they work. Excited akong panoorin sila live habang umaarte. Excited talaga ako dahil iba sa kanila, one time ko lang nakatrabaho. Of course, si Micherie, kasama ko siya sa isang play before sa PETA. At kasama kami ng mga 2 to 3 months ata. So, excited ako makabalik at makatrabaho siya ulit ng longer time.
Mars, mas lalo naman kami na-excite niyan! Pero kailan ba namin matutunghayan ang Legal Wives? Imbitahan mo na mga kapuso natin na abangan at panoorin ang Legal Wives!
Mga kapuso, abangan nyo po ang Legal Wives. Malapit na po yan. Ngayong darating na 2021. O, di ba? Pasabog. Abangan nyo po yan sa GMA Telebabad, Legal Wives.
Woohoo! Aabangan namin yan! Magbabalik ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.